Hey everybody, it's your favorite seamstress Mina. Yes, your favorite seamstress. Now, if you were holy like me, like you see this hole right here, after this video, you will no longer be holy. All right, I got a hole in one of my favorite sweaters, my favorite green sweaters, and I'm like, I cannot be walking around like this. So in this video, I'm going to show you what you need to do to fix that hole. So you're going to need some coordinating thread, you're going to need some scissors, nippers, razor blades, whatever you cut with, and you're going to need some pins. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Now what you see me doing is I'm wrapping the coordinating thread around my finger. I'm wrapping it around my finger. And what I need to do, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a thread bunch. And that thread bunch, what I'm going to do is use it to fill the hole. You're going to need quite a bit of this, not too much because my hole isn't that big, but you're going to need to wrap that thread or create a thread bunch, a nice amount to fill that hole with. Now after you've done that, what you're going to do is you're going to just go ahead and pin that thread bunch onto your sweater to hold it in place. Now another option to what you can do is you can use a coordinating piece of fabric. Luckily I didn't have that, but using the thread was perfect because it kind of matches the you know the material of the sweater. So but yeah, what you're going to do is, yeah, just wrap that thread and fill that hole, and then pin it, and then we're going to get ready to take it over to our sewing machine, and we're going to fix this hole. All right, so I'm just making sure that my hole is filled. I'm going to go over to my sewing machine, get my coordinating thread ready. Go ahead and put my bobbin in, thread my needle, and then we're going to put that sweater up under the needle. Now the next thing that I want you to do is I want you to, if you don't have a mending stitch on your machine already, put your machine on the lowest stitch length. 1, 2, put it on the lowest stitch length, and what that's going to do is it's going to mimic a mending stitch. All right, so now you're just going to go back and forth over that hole, back and forth. You're going to create adjacent lines, back and forth, up and down, adjacent lines. And what you're doing is you're creating a mending stitch, and you're actually creating a patch over that hole that you're filling. All right, so look, you're done. My hole is done. I can't even see the hole anymore. It's camouflaging in. So yeah, so I am no longer holy. I can continue to wear my apple green sweater. By the way, I am AKA, so I love my apple green and pink. Yes. All right, so look, here's another look at it. I'm giving you a close up. I have created a patch to cover my hole, and this is it's really strong, so I don't think that hole is going to come back, and I can continue to wear my sweater without being holy. Yes, I'm just cleaning house, getting all the loose threads away. Now there's the finale. Here's the finale. Look, it's right up there. See, if you can't tell, the hole was right up there in the neck area. Yes. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect. I created an exact match. It's a patch. Perfect.